But if it would hurt her really, then she can't do something hurt. But she knows that somewhere along that she has faith, she's coming with Hashem, that she knows that she gave her whole being, that at the end she'll win out. How, she doesn't know how or what, but she doesn't lose with God. You don't lose with God. Yeah.
She was in Nabia, so she had an end in terms of knowing what the right thing to do was, whether she had overcome herself or not. What do we do when we're faced with something we really don't know? Maybe I'm supposed to grow in this way, or maybe I'm supposed to grow in this way. Maybe doing nothing is the growth. Maybe what can that, you have to start investigating what you're supposed to do. I don't know.
That's an interesting point. And you definitely need to investigate, but there's another part to this story. What's your heart? And why is your heart one way, not the other way? That's the real thing. You're a woman, and a woman is Sarah, is hard. You have to check your heart. You don't have to check it on the case that you're involved now. What should I do? Check in a case when you do something that you think you're right. And check your heart. Did you do it right or wrong? And why did you do it? Did you do it for ulterior motives? Did your body want it? It's the right thing. What made it right to you? Why is it right? The seichel said it. The body said it. This is what you only want to do good. You want to be pure. You want to do God's will. What do you do? When you check yourself in other acts, when I'll come to the real test, you'll know what to do. And I'll give an example. The Medrash gives an example. This fellow wanted to cross the river. I told you that. He wants to cross the river. So he asked, what should I do, how to cross the river? He asked everybody. One says, make a bridge. One says, float across. One says, make a boat. So another fellow says him at the end, if you want to go across, you'll find the way. Stop asking questions, you'll find them. Which means that sounds like an Indian story, a guru story. but it's found. These things are found everywhere. And the answer is that you have to not. You don't have to follow what you feel, but you have to know what you feel and why you're following. Again, you only do what's right. Okay? That's the secret. Now, you may not know what's right, so you got to know what you feel. You must know what you feel. On what basis you make your decision. And then, you got to check.
What if the body doesn't want it? The seichel says, no, do it, that's
no, the
right.
seichel has to tell
So
you. No, but then we have checks and balances. We have the Torah, we have rights and wrongs in the Torah, you see. We're not sure. The body says, therefore, the body, what do you want? I want to do X, Y, Z, then we do it. That's not what we're doing. That's the not Jewish world. It does what the body wants. I don't say you to be sick not to do it. Not that there's certain things you can. But you have to know there's right and wrong. But I'm saying something. Where is your body leading you? That's what I'm saying. Yes.
When the Rabbi's saying you always do what's right, that's when you're going according to the seichel, right?
Right.
But in my sense, people that let their hearts lead with the seichel, you always do what's right.
Not true. Not true.
They always do what's right?
No.
They do always do what's right?
What?
They do always do what's right? They don't always do what's right. When the body leads the mind,
Usually it's wrong.
then there's time.
Yeah, but if you reach the spiritual level of Sari Meinu, then your body will tell you the right thing to do. Like they say, women have Bina Yisera. There's certain things that you know, intuition knows this is right, and you know.
When we're on the right level.
When the right level, that's like Sari Meinu level. That's what you have to work.
Is that training? Training the seichel over the mind? How do you get that?
No, that's really. Sure, you have to train the mind over body. But now we're in the body. We're talking about Sari Meinu is the body, the heart. There's another training called Sari Meinu training. Sari Meinu school.
You can imagine what she would do.
Yeah, what she would do. But more than that, how does her body react? Now you check your body until your body reacts properly and enjoys the good things. And does the right thing. You have any questions? No. Any questions? You have to ask. Yeah.
The person's body should be like a barometer. If they like enjoy saying things or davening, that's a barometer. If they have to force themselves to.
No, that will only show a little part, but it may not be told. You have to check that out. Even the good things. In this year, you even do the good things. You check out why you do the good things. That's called tahara. That's called the kiyus. In learning Mussar, checking yourself out is called the kiyus. And that's what you got to do. It's a growth, yes.
So really, we're not even at that stage, so we just have to follow our cycle.
That's right. But you got to work quickly on the body too.
So how do we
Otherwise, your body becomes lopsided. It's called disjointed, unfunctional.
how do we get to that?
You have to start working. You do cheshbon, that's when you check yourself out. You work on your feeling, you test, and you're young. Is it a good feeling or a bad feeling? You write it down, and you ask somebody. It's like teaching children in the beginning of ages concepts of winter, cold, hot. So you have teaching concepts. So we need teaching proper feelings. What is the feeling? You know what I mean? You have to be true to yourself, and eventually you train what would Sarah feel, what should be. So the mind tells you just feel, so you feel. But that doesn't mean you really felt it, or that's what you naturally felt. You can tell, your mind can tell you whatever you want to feel or whatever you want to do. The mind can tell you anything. But that's not what we're talking about. That's sorry, menu, the heart, the body.
I knew that she was so spiritual and she did so much chesed and she said all of it. When she used to give out a gown, was it like she didn't she changed herself completely, but she didn't become like crying out and like when she had to give
But she had to change part of it, so it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough.
She had to give out a gown.
She had to give over, she had to do what she had to do. But a person has to grow. But it's not only that. We mentioned that it's not only just learning Torah and doing mitzvahs. You have to work on your inner being, of your feelings and relationship to God, and being Torah and Torah Kodah. Okay, anything else? Anybody? What time is now?
No, because my battery stopped working. I'm upset because I blew the battery yesterday.
Now, that belief that you're upset or that feeling, is it a good feeling or bad feeling? Is it a godly feeling, a proper feeling? You have to start thinking
Everything
about
about always never works.
I'm not sure. That's what exactly what it is about.
It's working.
Yeah.
So eventually the person's showing at the end there what
Supposedly.
they want, their body wants it, their heart wants it, their seichel wants it.
But it's more than that. Your heart, I see some people walking it. The heart has to feel what your mind dictates. That's the end. You have to be shalom, complete. The heart has to feel, or what the mind dictates, that it's one with. That's there.
It has to be measured by Torah, no?
Oh, only time. There's no way out of that. Okay.
So, the best thing.